The Little Rann of Kutch is a saline desert where cracked earth meets the horizon. It is also the last remaining refuge of the Indian wild ass, one of the fastest mammals in India. The Indian wild ass once sprinted across western India, southern Pakistan, Afghanistan, and southeast Iran. But over the years, their population got fragmented and became confined to the Little Rann of Kutch in India. Between 1958 and 1960, their population fell because of the disease Surra. A year later, an outbreak of African horse sickness brought their numbers down to only 870. Locally called Khur or Khur, the Indian wild ass spends its day lazing, sprinting, and grazing on shrubs and grasses. Over the past few decades, their population has steadily increased, but threats loom large. The uncontrolled growth of Prosopis juliflora, an invasive weed, is affecting survival of native species that the wild ass feeds on. Continued salt production is fast degrading the soil, and channeling of the rivers is leading to non-seasonal flooding, disrupting the ecological balance of the desert. A shrinking habitat is forcing the Indian wild ass to move outside protected areas towards human settlements. Herds are now seen in local cotton and castor fields, often stirring a conflict.
रन के भागों में जो खेती होने लगी ने, इसकी वजह से आने लगे। ज़्यादातर तो घास खाते हैं, खेतों में जो घास लगी होती है वो, बाकी ऐसे तो कैस्टर ऑयल को भी नहीं खाते और कॉटन को भी नहीं खाते। ऐसे खाएंगे थोड़ा बहुत, मगर वो खाते इतना ज़्यादा नुकसान करते हैं। कहीं कहीं बैठ जाते हैं, सो जाते हैं और इधर उधर होते हैं, तो खेतों में सब जो फसल उगी होती है वो सब गिरा देते हैं।
This population is the only gene pool of this species in the world. Despite being a resilient animal, the Indian wild ass may not survive the destruction of its last remaining habitat.